One day in the garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? Wagwan, how you doing? Welcome again to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacy. So let's take a look at what's happening. So over here, as you can see, these corns nah gone with nothing. Don't know what them have against me, but I just gonna plant back some. Look at these peanuts. I might talk too soon, but right now as it is, they are so unforgiving. I might just root them up too. Okay, so this container right here decided to punish me. Every single thing inside it, dead. But I say it go. This container not looking bad. These sweet peppers are shedding leaves like crazy. This one is fighting, but it looks as though I'm going to lose it as well. This one dead. Anyways, these two all in the fort for me. So over here I have, let me see, two struggling market more. This sweet pepper gave up the ghost. These cantaloupes didn't want anything to do with me after I transplanted them, so they are now walking the pearly gates. But that's just how it is sometimes. This cucumber too. What was this again? Oh, white spine. So these over here are what then? Let me see. Oh, Chicago. Okay. My Thai peppers, I can tell you, they are truly faithful. Even though they are shedding leaves like crazy, I know they will stand by me. These radishes and beets are doing their thing. They will get by. These are empty for now. I will move those turmerics and ginger to incorporate those chairs. I have an idea in my head. I hope it comes to fruition. I'm going to put these containers on plastic to prevent the roots from going up in them. And I will give my canes a haircut. Also move these plants. So yeah. This is on the verge. Things aren't looking so bad over here. I still have some plants to uproot for transplanting though. Incorporating those chairs here as well. I have these to put in containers. I have much left to do, but taking it a day at a time. This basil is struggling to come back. This pepper here someone gave me. Going to harvest my zinnia seeds soon. My pumpkin vine is doing well. I cover this pumpkin from the heat of the day. This is what happened when I didn't cover this one. Busy bees. This cornstalk is full of ants. Look, 4 cons were trying to come up here. Wow. Let's get some work done. Thank you so much for watching. Catch me next Sunday at 10 a.m. Jamaica time for part 2. Until then, walk good.